Earth's rotation and its impact. User: what are the factors that are affecting Earth's rotation speed and its effect on us? Chatgpt: the rotation speed of the Earth is primarily influenced by several factors, including tidal forces. The gravitational interactions between the Earth, Moon, and Sun create tidal forces that exert a torque on the Earth, gradually slowing down its rotation. The Moon's tidal forces have the most significant effect on the Earth's rotation. Earth's internal processes occurring within the Earth, such as the movement of molten materials in the outer core, can cause slight variations in the rotation speed. These processes are not well understood and can lead to irregular changes in the Earth's rotation. Atmospheric and oceanic circulation. The movement of air masses and ocean currents can also affect the Earth's rotation. Changes in the distribution of mass due to atmospheric and oceanic circulation can influence the rotation speed, although these effects are relatively small. The effects of changes in the Earth's rotation speed on us, as humans, are relatively subtle but not negligible. Some potential impacts include length of a day. A slower rotation speed of the Earth would lengthen the duration of a day. Although the change would be very gradual, it could eventually lead to longer days and nights, potentially affecting daily routines and activities. Climate patterns. Changes in the Earth's rotation speed can affect climate patterns by altering atmospheric and oceanic circulation patterns. These changes could potentially influence weather systems, including the intensity and distribution of rainfall, wind patterns, and temperature gradients. Sea level and tides. Alterations in the Earth's rotation speed can influence sea levels and tidal patterns. Changes in the distribution of mass due to shifts in the rotation speed can cause changes in sea level rise, affecting coastal regions and ecosystems. Geophysical effects. Changes in the Earth's rotation speed can induce stress in the Earth's crust, potentially leading to an increase in seismic and volcanic activity. However, the magnitudes of these effects are generally minor and would not cause catastrophic events on their own. It's important to note that the current changes in the Earth's rotation speed are very gradual and occur over long periods of time. Natural variations in the rotation speed have been observed throughout Earth's history.